Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at the Junkyard, and the Junkyard I am at is Hamilton Pick and Save. Now, I'd appreciate right now if you go down, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you like this series of videos. Without you guys, well, I wouldn't be doing this today, and I really do appreciate it. So yeah, we'll get on to it now, but I just want to say I do appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and well, yeah. In front of me today is a GMC Sonoma. Now this one here, if we're going off Hoopties theory, Wolverine attacked it. Because it looks like he started getting his claws in here and then finally dug them in. Must have missed the handle. No guys, that's definitely not what happened. But it's a joke. But yeah, this one here, the door's still open somehow. But it looks like they just sideswiped something or got sideswiped themselves. This one here is actually low mileage. Only has about 150k on it. And the interior, well, the seat got busted in this accident, unfortunately. But otherwise, this interior is in pretty decent condition. All things considered for the age of the vehicle. Unfortunately, I think a lot of the back stuff got busted up in the accident. So, I can't move the seat. But that's all stuff from the accident that got busted up. That window's, there's glass shards over there from this window here. Of course, it doesn't actually close properly anymore. Why would it? But it was in good shape before. Amazingly, it had rear wheel wells still, and you can see all the oil spray from the hood. Now the oil spray back here. It was definitely a grandpa-owned car, or truck rather. Sorry, it's a truck. And because of it being grandpa-owned, oh yeah, the reflectors on the mud flaps scream grandpa. But it was well taken care of because of that. Everything down to even all these extra holes drilled in for extra mounting points for something. It probably had a cap on it. So there's the holes here and then these. So it probably, yeah, most definitely had a cap on it. But obviously not at the end of its life. At the end, it might have had a young kid own it. The frame is pretty decent. I mean, it's not mint, but this is that GM wax. Amazingly, there's a bunch of it still on everything under this truck. But unfortunately, this is what it does. As it starts to come off, it eats into the frame before it comes off. So these trucks have no hope right from the factory, it seems like, because they just have no hope because of what they've done with this wax coating. This is an SLS trim level, so it's a mid-tier. SLT was the highest, but you can even see the cab got pushed right over off of its mounts. Well, the box didn't. Two-wheel drive on this model, and this one here, nice engine cover. I like what they did. Has a V6, so that would be the 4.3. I believe that's the only 4.3 that came in these. Now there was two of them, two 4.3 V6s. There was a Vortec, which was, I think, 95 and newer, and then for 1 or 2 years, I think they had the non-Vortec as an option. I could be wrong on that though. I'm not really up on knowledge on the Vortec 4.3, but I do believe that the Vortec and the non-Vortec were in this at the first year. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, please. So I learned myself. Now, I wonder if the frame got bent too. It looks like the frame actually didn't get tweaked much. It looks like it was just cosmetic body, but this is a lot of cosmetic body damage. So, yeah. Damn Wolverines. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.